Hello, it's Fernando here. We will see a quali lap now in Spa-Francorchamps in Belgium. So we start the lap in a very short straight, let's say, and we have a 10-1 very tight corner in first gear around 60-65 kilometers an hour. It's important to have a clean exit because now we will have around 17 seconds with the full throttle, passing in the traditional Eau Rouge corner, 7th gear, uphill, but it's not really a corner now in these days in Formula 1. Then very long straight, so it's important to have a clean exit of the first corner. And after so long period of full throttle, arrive the first combination of corners, right, left, right, in third gear, not too slow, around 160 kilometers an hour. The circuit start to go downhill in this point, so we have the first right corner, very long corner, around 120 kilometers an hour. Quickly after a left corner in fourth gear, very fast. We keep going downhill in the circuit, so very easy to reach a high speed. Very fast two left corners, around 240 kilometers an hour. And here more or less the track changes and we start to going uphill to recover the altitude that we had at the beginning of the lap. So we have a combination of high speed chicanes, again in fourth gear all the time, in a combination of corners in 160-170 kilometers an hour. And we arrive to the second longest straight of the circuit, going to the bus stop chicane. We all go in 7th gear, flat out through Blanchimont corner, not really any problem, reaching again 320 kilometers an hour, and the last braking for the last chicane, going from 320 to 90 kilometers an hour, so very heavy braking, and the last chicane trying to use all the curves you can.